Hey guys, what's up? Getting ready to do the Modus drawing here. Got everybody's names, getting them folded up. Got the hat there. Just had a long day of work, came home, sitting out by the pool. My lovely wife is helping me out, folding them up. Getting ready to find a winner here of the Modus. I'll be sending this probably USPS priority mail. Whoever wins it could contact me, give me your information, and we'll get it all sent over to you. I hope somebody that needs this and deserves it wins it. It's a great scanner. I'm gonna miss it. How about it, babe? You gonna miss it?
Yeah.
The scanner's made us some money at the shop, but we upgraded. Don't forget about these buttons. Are a little wonky, but the scope still works. Everything else got the keys with it. Just a couple sets of keys. The charger. But hope you love it as much as I did. But we're getting these all folded up and get them in the hat, and we'll get a winner here soon. All right, guys, down to the last one. I switched scenes. I'm behind the bar now. Just gonna shake it up. Call out the winner. Give it a good shake. Shake it some more. Pretty much got a 1 in 50 chance of winning, guys. Thank you for all the comments, all the views on my videos.
Okay. Let's see.
All right, who do we got?
The winner is Maxwell Peter.
Maxwell Peter, let me see. So here's your comment. Asked about the scope leads. No, it does not come with scope leads, but those things are cheap enough to get anyways. Maxwell, contact me on my Gmail, on my bio page, and we'll get this Modus sent off to you. Like I said, US priority mail, and I'm going to be doing an upcoming video this week coming up about the next tool giveaway. We'll probably have 2 or 3 of them, see which one's more popular, and we'll do that one. But for now, signing off. We'll see you guys in the next one.